One word or two sentences. Each question carries 1 mark. 1. What is carbon dating? 2. What are amphibious plants? 3. What is calyptrus? 4. Who is the father of paleobotany? 5. What is a ligule? 6. What is gemma? 7. Name 2 types of rhizoids in Riccia. 8. What is ramenta? 9. Name a genus with winged pollen. 10. What is parthenocarpy? Hey, here you gets the 10 marks from your answers. Section B. 2. Answer any 8 of the following. Each question carries 2 marks. 11. Write a short note on peristome teeth. 12. Comment on geological timescale. 13. What are hydrophytic characters of Marsilea? 14. What is alternation of generation? 15. Enumerate the salient features of coralloid root. 16. Differentiate homospory and heterospory with examples. 17. What are the angiosperm characters of Netum? 18. Write a short note on rhizophore of Selaginella. 19. Briefly explain the thallus structure of Anthoceros. 20. Write a note on eusporangiate ferns. 21. Explain circinate vernation with example. 22. Write a short note on transfusion tissue. Here you get 16 marks by attending only 8 of the above questions. Section C. 3. Answer any 6 of the following. Each question carries 4 marks. 23. What is the role of paleobotany in relation to the exploration of fossil fuels? 24. With a labeled diagram, explain the internal structure of pinus needle. 25. Narrate the economic importance of gymnosperms. 26. Draw the LS of cycas ovule and discus. 27. Enumerate the dissimilarities of bryophytes with pteridophytes. 28. Explain the structure of roches of cycas. 29. What are the economic importances of bryophytes? 30. Write down the structure of lepidodendron. 31. Discuss the spore dispersal mechanism in Pteris. Now you gets 24 marks by attending the 6 questions of 9 given. Section D. 4. Write an essay on any 2 of the following. Each question carries 15 marks. 32. Describe the stellar evolution in pteridophytes. 33. What are fossils? Discuss various methods of fossilization. 34. Compare the sporophytes of bryophytes that you have studied. 35. Give an account of sexual reproduction in Netum. Mention the advanced characters. Now you have to write any 2 for obtaining 30 marks. Now again we are here with miscellaneous MCQ on 4 RTH semester botany topics. Please comment your suggestions so that we are here to help you. Also comment us how much it helped you in your exams. Hope it helps. Amphibians of plant kingdom. Options: pteridophytes, angiosperms, bryophytes, gymnosperms. Answer: bryophytes. Example for a bryophyte is: options: nostoc, Riccia, Gunnera, Navicula. Answer: Riccia. Why bryophytes are called amphibians of plant kingdom? Options: they shows alternation of generation. They requires water for respiration. They can live both in land and water. They require water for fertilization. Answer: they requires water for fertilization. Which of the following species of Riccia is a free-floating or submerged aquatic species? Options: Gangetica, Pandae, Fluitans, Reticulata. Answer: Riccia fluitans. Dash is need for the movement of ciliated antherozoids during fertilization. Options: water, wind, sunlight, oxygen. Answer: water. 1 marks. Draw diagrams only if specified in the question. 1. What is lepidocarpon? 2. Why cycas is considered as a dioecious plant? 3. Mention any 2 commercial uses of pinus. 4. What are rhizophores? 5. Which tissue in cycas leaflet is concerned with lateral conduction? 6. Name the spore-producing structure of Xylodon. 7. Why the gymnosperms are called as naked seeded plants? 8. What is plectostellic condition? Cite 1 example. 9. Why bryophytes are called as the amphibians of the plant kingdom? 10. What are gemme cups? Name 1 plant which produces gemme cups. Section B. Answer any 8 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Answer not to exceed 1 paragraph. 11. Explain the structure of the sporophyte of Marchantia. 12. Describe the habit of Riccia. 13. Enumerate the major differences between gymnosperms and pteridophytes. 14. What are sori? Differentiate between gradate and mixed sori. 15. Describe the anatomy of Selaginella stem. 16. Citing a suitable example, describe amphiploic siphonostele. 17. Describe the sexual reproduction of P. terris. 18. Describe the anatomical structure of coralloid roots. 19. Write a note on stigmarian root system. 20. Describe the structure of pinus female cone. 21. Write an account on the economic importance of pteridophytes. 22. What are compressions? Section C. Answer any 6 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 23. Describe the leaf scars of lepidodendron. 24. With the help of a labeled diagram, explain the structure of the ovule in netum. 25. Write a note on the anomalous secondary thickening seen in the stem O. Netum. 26. With the help of a labeled schematic diagram, explain the anatomy OL pinus. Needle. 27. Using a labeled diagram, explain the structure of the gametophyte of Xylodon. 28. Describe the salient features of P. terris sporophy. 29. Differentiate between solanostel and dictyostel. 30. With the help of a labeled sketch, describe the anatomy of Riccia thallus. 31. Citing Marchantia as an example, describe alternation of generations. Section D. Answer any 2 questions. Each question carries 15 marks. Answers not to exceed 3 pages. 32. Explain the life cycle of Selaginella. How it differs from that of Xylodon. 33. Describe the structure of the sporophyte of Funaria. Add a note on the mechanism of its dehiscence. 34. With the help of suitable labeled sketches, explain the structure of the sporocarp of Marsilia. Add a note on the mechanism of its dehiscence. 35. Explain the structure of the ovule of Cycas. Illustrate the write-up using suitable labeled diagrams. Add a note on the mechanism of pollination in Cycas. 4th Semester Exam 2017. Answer all questions. 1. A stele without central pith is called. 2. The phenomenon of occurrence of 2 types of spores in a plant is called dash. 3. The trabeculae in Selaginella is a modification of vascular bundle of acquisitum stem contains a canal called. 5. Name the conjugation taking place between cells of different filaments in Spiro 8 era. 10xl equals 10 marks. Is the reserve food in Rhodophyceae? 7. Name the endophytic algae found in Anthoceros. 8. Few-celled filament produced by the germination of androspore is called. 9. Flask-shaped cavities bearing sex organs in Sargassum are called. 10. Function of nurse cells is. Give short answers to the following questions. I-1. Give a short account on contribution of Indian pteridologists. 10x2 equals 20 marks. 12. What is a cenobium? 13. Comment on the morphology of rhizophore in Selaginella. 14. What is a solanostel? 15. Write a note on carpogonium. 16. What are rhizoids? Comment on rhizoids in Riccia. 17. Explain the diplobiontic life cycle in Albic. 18. Briefly explain the structure of dominant phase in Funaria. 19. What is apospory? 20. What is Palmella stage? 2. Answer any 6 of the following in paragraph. 21. Give an outline of the classification of pteridophytes proposed by Smith et al. 2008. 22. What are the different types of pigments in algae? How are algae classified based on the pigmentation? 23. Discuss the evolution of gametophyte among bryophytes. 6x5 30 marks. 24. Dissect of the structure of sporocarp of Marsilia. 25. What is conjugation? Give an account on lateral conjugation in Spirogyra. 26. Explain the anatomy of Riccia thallus with a suitable diagram. 27. Give an account on sexual reproduction and oxospore formation in Pinularia. 28. Write an account on economic importance of pteridophytes. V. Write essays on any 2 of the following. 29. Compare the anatomical features of stems of Xylodon and Acquisitum with suitable diagrams. 30. Describe the life cycle of Anthoceros with a schematic diagram. 31. Write an essay on the range of thallus organization in Chlorophytants of S4 Botany Core. Hope at least 10 of these questions will be there in your exams. So, please work out these videos and your revision time, it's sure you can score more. 1. Why bryophytes are called as amphibians of plant kingdom. 1 marks. 2. Give an example for an aquatic bryophyte. 1 mark. 3. Write an essay on classification of bryophytes. 15 marks. 4. Write note on internal structure of Riccia. 4 marks. 5. Write note on sporophyte of Riccia. 2 marks. 6. Differentiate Antherydiophore and Archegoniophore in Marchantia. 4 marks. Closing parenthesis. 7. What are elidors? 2 marks. 8. Write note on sporophyte of Marchantia. 4 marks. 9. Peat moss. 1 mark. 10. Write an essay on the structure and Development of sporophyte in fun area with the help of suitable diagrams, 15 marks. 11. Write note on life cycle of fun area, 4 marks. 12. Write an essay on the ecological and economic importance of bryophytes, 15 mark.